Hey there, and welcome back to Best Tendency. If you've ever felt that frustrating chill creeping into your workspace, or shivered in your living room while trying to save on your heating bill, you know the struggle. Today, we're on a quest to find the ultimate solution. The best portable electric heaters for your home or office. We've done the deep dive, scoured the reviews, and are ready to unveil our top 5 picks. From the smallest personal heater to a powerful electric room heater for large spaces, we've got something for everyone. And trust me, our number 1 pick is a total game changer. So, let's get warm. If you're interested after watching this review, you can find the live price update and the purchase link with the best deal on Amazon in the description below. Number 5. The Kissmile Small Electric Space Heater. Kicking off our list is the compact and reliable Kissmile Small Electric Space Heater. Don't let its size fool you. This little heating unit is designed for quick, personal warmth. It's the perfect companion for a desk, a small bedroom, or a dorm room. The Kissmile boasts an impressive 1,500-watt ceramic element that heats up in just 2 seconds, giving you nearly instant relief from the cold. With 3 heat settings and a fan-only mode, it's a versatile choice for any season. The built-in thermostat allows you to set your ideal temperature, making it an energy-efficient option. It's also packed with essential safety features, including overheat and tip-over protection. For those seeking an affordable and straightforward solution, the Kissmile is a fantastic budget space heater that gets the job done without any fuss. Number 4. The Amazon Basics Ceramic Space Heater. Next up, we have a true underdog, the Amazon Basics Ceramic Space Heater. This tiny mini space heater proves that great things come in small packages. Weighing in at just over 1.5 pounds, it's incredibly portable, making it the ideal tabletop space heater for your office or a small personal area. What makes this heater unique is its sheer simplicity and focus on safety. At a gentle 500 watts, it's perfect for providing a steady stream of warmth to keep you comfortable without overwhelming the circuit. While it lacks a thermostat, its straightforward on-off function and built-in tip-over safety make it a reliable and safe choice. For anyone needing a simple, discreet, and most affordable space heater, the Amazon Basics model is a solid, no-frills option. Number 3. The GiveBest Portable Electric Space Heater. Landing at number 3 is the incredibly versatile GiveBest Portable Electric Space Heater. This is the one for people who want both performance and convenience. What makes it special? It's a 2-in-1 marvel that acts as a powerful room heater for winter and a refreshing fan for the summer months. With its 1,500-watt PTC ceramic technology, it can quickly heat up a 200-square-foot room, but you also have the option of a lower 750-watt setting for more moderate warmth. The adjustable thermostat allows for precise temperature control, and its whisper-quiet operation, at under 45 decibels, means you can work, read, or sleep undisturbed. This heater is a testament to the fact that you don't have to sacrifice features for a great price, making it one of the best value for money heaters on the market. If you want to stay ahead of the curve on the coolest new gadgets and gear, hit that subscribe button now. Don't miss out on our next review. Number 2. The Dr. Infrared Heater. For those of you who need serious heating power for a larger space, say a cold basement or a 2-car garage, our number 2 spot is your answer. We're talking about the legendary Dr. Infrared Heater. This isn't your average space heater. It's a true electric infrared heater powerhouse. Its secret is a revolutionary dual heating system that combines infrared quartz and PTC ceramic elements, which the manufacturer claims delivers 60% more heat than traditional heaters. It's designed to warm objects and people, not just the air, giving you a deep, penetrating warmth that feels like a sunny day. With an impressive 5,200 BTU output, it can effectively heat a massive 576 square feet. Despite its power, it's surprisingly quiet thanks to a low-noise blower. The included remote control and caster wheels add to its convenience, solidifying its place as the best space heater for a large room. Number 1. The Dreo Space Heater Series. And now, for the moment you've been waiting for. Our top pick, the undeniable champion in the world of portable space heaters, is not just one product, but but an entire series of heaters from the powerhouse brand Drio. When we say these are the top space heater brands, we mean it. The Dreo space heater series, including models like the DRHSH006, the DRHSH003, and the DRHSH013, represents the pinnacle of modern heating technology. So what makes them so special? It all comes down to their perfect blend of style, performance, and smart features. Drio's advanced hyperamics technology delivers incredibly fast heating and circulates warm air up to 200% farther than traditional heaters. But here's the most captivating part. They are astonishingly quiet. Thanks to a frictionless DC motor and a unique fan design, they operate at just 34 decibels, quieter than a library. Each model has its own unique strengths. The compact DRHSH006 is known for its extreme quietness. The oscillating DRHSH003 is perfect for wide-angle warmth, and the tower-style DRHSH013 is an excellent choice for a powerful heating appliance for larger rooms. With a precise digital thermostat, multiple modes, and advanced safety features like a child lock and enhanced tip-over protection, Dreo has truly redefined what a top-rated portable heater can be. They are, without a doubt, the best heaters on the market right now. So there you have it, our definitive list of the top 5 best portable electric heaters on the market. There's an ideal solution for every need. The right choice for you depends on your room size, budget, and personal preference for features. We hope this review helps you find the perfect heating unit to keep you warm and cozy all winter long. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and let us know in the comments which heater you're planning to buy. And to make sure you don't miss our next exciting review, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. Thanks for watching, and stay warm out there.